Hello everyone, this is Aishwarya Parekar. I'm a student of Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering. I'm currently studying in Basic Science Department. My subject for today's video is Introduction to Python Programming. And today's topic for the video is flow condition statements. Let us begin with the video. The most common type of flow control statement is the if statement. An if clause or statement is executed only if the statement's condition is true, and if the condition is false, then the clause is skipped. If statement is a condition statement used to check a condition and execute if the condition holds true. In Python, an if statement consists of a particular set of words or clauses which are important, like a keyword. If keyword is used while executing or while printing a if statement, a condition which is to be evaluated if that is true or false, based on which the following statement will be printed. A colon after the condition, and starting on the next line, an intended block of codes. We can see an example here. If is a keyword, num less than is equal to 0 is a condition, and print it is a positive number is a statement. If the number is greater than or equal to 0, then this statement is printed that it is a positive number. If this number is less than 0, for example, we give input as -1, then it does not print this particular statement. It just is not executed. Else statement. Else statement is nothing but an extension of if statement. An if clause can optionally be followed by an else statement. The else clause is executed only when the if statement condition is false. In plain English, an else statement could be read as if this condition is true, execute this code, or else execute that code. An else statement also consists a set of things which are important. The else keyword is very much required while giving an else statement. A colon starting on the next line, an intended block of codes called the else clause. We can see an example here. There are a set of codes. Name is equal to input, enter the name. If name is equal to Alice, print hi Alice, else print hi stranger. There is a flow chart here. First, we give the name. If the name is equal to Alice, if it is true, then print hi Alice. Hi Alice is printed. If not, if the name is not equal to Alice, then hi stranger is printed. We can see the output also here. When the entered name is Alice, it gives the output as hi Alice. If the name is entered name is anything other than Alice, then it gives hi stranger. Elif statement. Elif statement is again nothing else than an extension of else and if else statement. The elif statement is an else if statement that always follows an if or under elif statement. It provides under condition that is checked only if any of the previous condition were false. When only one of the if or else clause is executed, you may have a case where you want many possible clauses like that to be executed. At that situation or in that case, elif statement is used. Elif statement also requires the same things as if statement. The elif keyword is required, a condition which is again evaluated if it is true or false, a colon, and starting on the next line, an intended block of codes. Here is an example. If name is equal to Alice, Alice is printed, and if the name is not equal to Alice, then it checks for elif statement, where the age is checked. If the age is less than 12, then this particular statement is printed which says you are not Alice. And if elif statement is also false, that ends the execution. You can see the flow chart here. If the name is equal to Alice, hi Alice is printed. If the name is not equal to Alice, or if it is false, then it checks for age, which is elif statement. If the age is not equal to, or if the age is greater than 12, it ends the block of codes or the if statement. If the age is less than 12, which is true, it prints you're not Alice kiddo. Here is an example, a bigger example for elif statement. This is a program where the name, roll number of a student is taken by the programmer, and then the total marks out of 650 is given by the programmer. The code then calculates percentage, then prints the name of the student, roll number of the student, and then the percentage secured by the student. Then it checks if the percentage is greater than or equal to 90. If the percentage is greater than or equal to 90, then it prints excellent. If the percentage is not equal to 90 or less than 90, then elif statement, it checks for elif statement. If this statement which says that percentage is less than 90 and greater than 80, if this statement is true, then if this condition is true, then it prints good. If this elif condition is also not true, in the sense that if it is false, it checks for next elif statement which says that if the percentage is less than 80 and percentage is greater than 70. If this statement is true, it prints need hard work. If this statement is false, then it checks next elif statement, which says percentage is less than 70 and greater than 60. If this elif statement, elif condition is true, then it prints need to improve a lot. If this particular condition is also false, it checks for next elif condition. Likewise, you can use as many elif statements as you want. At the end, an else statement and an if statement. While using elif condition or elif statement, if statement is a compulsory thing, and you can only one if statement can be used, and you can use as many elif statements in one particular set of statements. These are the set of outputs for various percentages which in the previous program in the previous slide. If the percentage is 92, which is more than 90, you can see here it prints excellent. If the percentage secured is less than 90 and greater than 80, it prints good. And if the percentage is greater than 70 and less than 80, it prints need hard work. And if the percentage is greater than 60 and less than 70, it prints need to improve a lot. And if the percentage is greater than 60, greater than 50, sorry, and less than 60, it prints 90% hard work required. So likewise, we use if statements, else statements, and elif statements in Python. I hope you guys understood the condition statements. There are three condition statements, namely if, else, and elif. I hope you guys understood the concept. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, share, and subscribe.